I'm Samantha, and I'm going to show you how to make some hairspray. What I did was used only the peel of an orange. I grated it and not the white part. So you can use any citrus fruit, just the equivalent of an orange. So you can use half a grapefruit rind or 2 lemons, 2 limes, or whatever you have handy. So I let it steep just like tea. I put a lid on it and let it steep. So now it's completely cool. And I'm going to just drain it into another bowl. I used about only half a cup of water because I wanted it to be really strong. So just make sure there's not huge particles in there. There is a filter on my spray bottle, so I don't have to have it super clear. And then use about the same amount, half a cup of witch hazel. So now I got about a cup of liquid, I think, but I want it to fit in my bottle. You can always add more witch hazel later. This is really good if you want healthy, strong hair. I am still recovering from years and years of heat, straightening, and chemicals for curling and hairsprays that are really, really bad. They're bad for your hair, they're bad for your breath, not your breath, for breathing in the parabens and stuff. So, see, there's not very much in here. I underestimated the room in this bottle, but I can always add more witch hazel. Usually I just use a cleaner bottle and spray it. So that's it, and it smells really good because it smells like oranges. So that should help keep your hair not frizzy and keep it in place.